out first, though. Now calling the matter of the people versus Emmett Williams. This is ticket P 11622752. This is one count of disorderly conduct. We're here today for a review. This was under a 12-month delayed sentence, at which time Mr. Williams was supposed to come back to court with $200 fine paid. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant.
Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Emmett Williams.
Counsel, where are we today?
So, Judge, he hasn't had any further tickets of this nature. However, he just started a job. He still needs some more time to pay the $200, which I believe is the fine amount.
How much time do you need, Mr. Williams? It's been a year.
Yeah, I understand, Judge. I'm sorry about that too. Maybe about 90 days. Is that possible?
Okay, I'm gonna give you until March 3rd. You need to have it paid by then, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you back that day, same time, March 3rd. No, March 1st, I apologize, March 1st, 2023, 8:45 a.m. for a review.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
No problem. One second.
Yeah, I don't know. Court. I don't know. Yeah, court too.
All right. Charlena Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Charlena Williams. This is Z ticket 808315. This is one count operating while visibly impaired. Today is the date and time set for a review of probation in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Charlena Williams.
All right, also have probation officer Brimage on. Can you please state your name?
Yes, Jasmine Brimage on behalf of the probation department. Am I breaking up, Judge?
It's a little bit of feedback.
Okay.
but it's not too bad, okay?
You sure if I could come to the courtroom if you need me to, because I can hear it also.
Could you run down to the courtroom real
Yes.
quick? and continue? Thank
Okay.
you. All right, hold tight, everyone, just for 1 second. She wants us to have a clear record. I appreciate that.
Judge, you want me to stand at the podium or right here, sir?
I would like you to stand right in front of my little box on the wall. See it's in my. Right there. Yeah.
Right here?
Green thing, that's it.
Okay.
All right. We are here today for a review of probation. Officer Brimage, can you please tell me how she did on probation?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Williams was placed on probation for 1 year on December 1st, 2021. I wasn't her original probation officer. I did receive the case in April. As of today's date, she has completed the victims impact panel. She needs the alcohol highway safety, and she needs to pay her fines and costs. She was ordered to screen once a month. I looked up ATS. She missed July 14th, August 15th, and her file was closed. The other thing is, when I spoke to Ms. Williams, she said it was ordered that she complete grief counseling, and she stated that she didn't think she needed, and I told her she could explain to you why. So what I was gonna ask is that the probation be extended for her to complete the condition.
Okay. All right, counsel, do you want to speak first on behalf of your client?
Just briefly, Judge, we don't have an objection to the extension. She admitted that she needed more time to pay the fines and costs. She had some questions about alcohol highway safety class. She obviously has to complete that. She didn't know which one. There's some different some were longer than the others in terms of their hours. So she had some questions about that, but she does need some more time to complete everything.
All right. Ms. Williams, did you want to say anything on your behalf?
No.
All right. All right, Attorney Warburton, I remember this case. Sometimes it takes me a moment, but then I'm taken back to the case and remember how it goes and what happened and initially what was recommended.
Understood,
So,
Judge.
Ms. Williams, she did. So I won't make her attend brief counseling. Originally, that was one of my conditions in my terms because I was trying to help her be on the right path. So this didn't occur again, but I'm not gonna force her to do grief counseling if she doesn't want to do group counseling, so I am going to take that away. As far as the highway alcohol safety class, the person that you would ask which one you're supposed to do is the probation officer, and they would give you that information. I'm sure they would not hide the ball on that one. So if you were unsure about which class to take, you just ask the probation officer, and they will be able to let you know. As far as testing, you said the case was closed out. What
Yes,
happened?
because she missed July 14th and she missed August 15th, and they closed her file because of the missed screens.
So she just ain't been testing this whole time?
No, Your Honor.
She already didn't want to be on probation. Officer, let me fill you in a little bit.
Okay, because the case was
Yeah,
under.
so this was a case where she was on the side of the road and then the police officers approached her. She had been experiencing a lot at that point in time in her life. And they approached her, blood alcohol level was higher than it was supposed to be. Vehicle on, I think it was in the winter time because let me see what day it was. No, it was in May. So, and the vehicle was turned on, you know, that's the basis for the operating while intoxicated. Your vehicle can't be turned on. We got her, she had trouble on the first hearing, but we got her together. We told her we're gonna have another hearing. She was with it and everything. Then she came back for sentencing and it wasn't really what she wanted it to be. So I didn't know we were having these struggles because no one came back to me and told me that we had been having these struggles. Okay, we want to reschedule the sentencing because we needed to She needs to take care of some things. I know that she doesn't believe that this, is for her. This probation is for her because. So what did she complete that I required?
The victim's impact panel.
One thing.
She completed that under her previous probation officer.
And I thought I had scaled it back severely because she said she didn't need a lot of stuff. So let me look at the form.
Okay.
I actually did this one from home. I didn't even give her that much stuff to do. I don't think she had to test. I don't think that's one of the.
Oh, it was an amended order because Ms. Kaepernick said
Yeah, I was gonna say, it must have been an
it was an
amended
amended order, yes.
Is it the file?
Yeah.
The amended order she needs to file. Think that she has. I put-
Oh, here it is, amended order. Thank you.
Mhm. And it was for once a month. Which is a gift.
How much of the cost and fines? Because that was the other thing. She told me she could pay everything because she was working and she was an entrepreneur. She had lots of jobs. She was working at the
She
plant.
still has the full balance, Your Honor. Was it $850, I think? Yes.
How much more time do you need for her to be on this? And she's going to test. I didn't realize they amended it to test.
Yes. I'm not sure her financial situation, so 90 to 180 days.
How much time do you need to pay the balance, ma'am?
She muted.
You're muted.
45 days.
Okay. So, and then you need to still attend the highway safety.
And she can do that virtually. I'll
Oh,
send her
yeah.
information to do it virtually.
When we have information for you to be able to do that virtually, so you can take your time and do that when it's available to you. Is that same 45 days, okay?
Yes, that's fine. My question with that is because, like I said, when I pulled up put it in the Google search bar, a lot of stuff came up, and some of them have you put this, the state you're in, and I'm not sure if that's it. And then two,
Okay.
it's saying that it's an 8-hour class, and I've been working a whole lot, almost 7 days a week. And I work from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's why I haven't completed the class, because the class is they want you to be there from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And like today, this is one of my first days off in a long time. And I just happened to check my email, and I didn't even know I had court until last night. I was looking for something else, and then I saw this, and I was like, court. Like, I really,
Ms.
I
Williams,
just,
I probably have given you the least amount of things to do. Out of all the people I've had in situation, the least amount of things to do. For the class thing, I don't know why did they tell you to Google it, or did you ask the probation officer which class you're supposed to take? Because they'll tell you, they'll give you the link and everything so that you know exactly what class. This is not stuff that you're just doing on your own. It's very organized. If you ask the probation officer, they'll give you all of that information. Yes.
Your Honor, when I
With
spoke to her, I did send her a link for one in Macomb County, because
Oh, you
that's the
said-
county she lives in, and she lives kind of far. But now that one of the agencies in Detroit can do it virtually, I'll send her to that one, and it's only 4 hours long.
Okay. So it's a
okay,
4-hour
well, I
virtual
cannot do
class.
that today.
You can do it whenever. You just have to go in and sign up. I don't know what time it started.
Oh, I have to physically, or just, I can be on the computer.
Ms. Williams, I don't know anything about.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
Anything. That's why you have a probation officer, because when you contact them and tell them the struggles that you're having, they're supposed to try and help you through this. So if they know that it's a struggle and that you can't do some of these things, I knocked off, I gave you a whole year too. I said, let me see, I got her doing 4 tasks. You have 4 tasks for the year. No alcohol, no illegal drugs unless they were prescribed by the doctor. The alcohol safety class and the victim impact panel. Now, I did ask you to attend brief trauma counseling. That's okay, you didn't do that. But it was those 4 things, and pay your cost and fine. That was it for the year. And test, well, they added testing, okay. I didn't have testing originally, because if you would have seen you can go
I
back.
have a regular, it wasn't on there. I thought I made the order.
So now they added testing to it as well. I do want you to test for the next, I'm gonna do it for 60 days. I'm gonna give her 60 days. Is that enough time? So that'll be,
Yes.
that's 2 months, so you have to test twice. That's it, right?
Okay.
Yes,
So test twice, pay the cost and fines, the remaining balance, and attend the victim impact panel. I mean, the highway safety
Highway
panel,
Okay.
60 days. And then I'll discharge you as successful.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm gonna have you come back on February 1st, 2023 at 8:45 a.m. for a review.
Okay. February 1st, 8:45 a.m.
and Ms. Williams, I'll call you as soon as I leave the courtroom to give you the information for the class.
Okay, because I'm off today and I could take the class today.
Okay, well, we'll
All
see
right.
if they can do it, so. If
Okay.
not, she found one that she could potentially, I don't know how it works either, so I don't know how you can figure it out. I was gonna say,
Okay.
that's all I have for that one. We'll see you back on February 1st, 2023, 8:45 a.m. for a review. Hopefully I'll be discharging because you completed everything, okay?
Right. Okay, thank
All right.
you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thanks, Judge.
Happy holidays, y'all.
Same to you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, John did walk in, so we're getting that offer for you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, Mr. Gillis.
Attorney Werbeling,
Yes, Your Honor.
the offer is 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay, I think I can go, I'll go talk to him, Judge. Or is he out already?
He's in the waiting room. I don't know why.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I did admit him.
Hey, Judge,
Uh-huh.
he just appeared back into the courtroom, so I thought that the attorney, that Mr. Warbling had spoken to him. That's why I put it. In the room. Sorry about that.
It's okay. Mr. Williams? Antoine Williams? Antoine Williams?
Oh, there he, yeah. He's-
Mr. Williams, you need to be set still for your court hearing. I'm trying to handle it. Can't be on the move. I'm gonna put him in the room. Get him together, Mr. Werbeling.
Yeah, I sure will, Judge.
Okay.
Thanks.
Join room number 2, sir. Join room number 2. Go in room number 2. You need to go to room number 2.
They would be if you.
Cause she beautiful.
Oh.
So they made like I'm gonna take a picture of her and her girl.
She is.
They mad.
Oh, yeah. They.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
He went in there.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Mr. Williams, take your hat off for me for a moment while we do this hearing, please. Thank you, sir. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antoine Williams. This is ticket P 1249943, one count of loitering. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Antoine Williams.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, he wants to waive his jury trial rights and come back for a bench trial. I went over the offer with him extensively, so he wants a bench trial.
Okay, all right. Is that true, Mr. Williams? If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, you had a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
Could you repeat that?
I can. So my understanding is that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the judge. I listen to the case and the facts and I make a decision. The officers will be required to come to court that day. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to do it on the date of February 27th. February 27th of next year, 2023, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? I'll set your bond at $0 personal. All right?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Williams, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. December 1st.
And that's February 27th, correct?
That's February 27th, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yes, okay. You're all set, Mr. Williams. Have a good day. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you.